Okay, so we're gonna go around asking people if they want free snacks and bottles of water. Let me show you what exactly is in here. So we got a bag, like a big bag of snacks we don't eat. We got like Teddy Grahams, fruit roll-ups, fruit snacks, granola bars, cookies, Dino and Dragon snacks, cookies. We also have some bottles of water. We got some energy peanut bar. We have some we have some water in there. And we got some freezing cold Ice Mountain. Not sponsored by any of these brands. They're not sponsored by anyone. We haven't been, and we're probably never going to be. Anyway, we don't know where to go because we just came here. It's a park, and we figured, oh, it's a hot day, hot summer day. Why is no one at the park? Probably all swimming somewhere. Yeah, they're probably. Imagine we went to a swimming pool just to offer food. Okay, we don't feel like biking all the way to a park that's kind of far away. I'm tightening it. Is it loose now?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I turned it righty tighty. This way tightens it. Oh, I didn't know you have to turn it lefty for it to tight. Doesn't make sense. It's not fully in. Okay, where are we supposed to go? I bet everyone's probably at Liberty. Yeah, so we're gonna cut until we get there. It's kind of weird. Yeah. No one's here.
No one's here, sadly.
Let's go chill in the sand. It might be hot, might be cold.
I'll go chill in the park.
I like the sand better if it has shade.
Whoa, sand doesn't have shade. Did you know that sand's the quickest thing to get hot in
Yes.
the sun?
Yes,
So why would we go sit in the sand?
Maybe someone will show up. Hopefully. Yeah.
I need some cold Wawa.
Okay. Can you grab me one too?
Okay, guys, so the last take we did, since we took 2 takes before this, but none of them were good, so we checked between I swear between one of the videos, and it probably has by now like 560 views.
Yeah. It's the one where we throw the stick in the pond.
Yeah.
Why is no one here, even though it's a billion degrees? Someone please show up. We have snacks. What if we just leave like 2 snacks at everyone's door? That person might be coming here. We're going in slow. Maybe? Probably not. Yeah, no. They're revving their engine because they think they're cool. But are people who rev their engines cool? They're show-offs, that's what they are. Is somebody gonna show up or not? Instead of a lemonade stand, we should have a snack stand. If anyone ever shows up. We should go to a little place on the sidewalk with shade and just chill there until someone shows up.
Yeah.
Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
All right. Should we walk or bike?
You can do something.
Is anyone gonna come by here?
We'll go across the street.
Let's see. There's a person mowing the lawn. We can ask if they want anything. They're a grown adult. People probably think we're kind of sketchy, just like you want free snacks.
Free snacks.
Free snacks.
Free snacks.
They're actually free. 1 per person though, because we want.
Everybody gets some.
Or 2 per person, depending. If they look homeless, they get more.
No.
That's mean. We should take that sign, take a marker, flip the sign around, and just write free snacks.
Free snacks.
I don't even know if anyone can hear us.
Free snacks.
There's a place people walk around a lot.
Chicago.
Well, we can't bike there.
Free snacks.
If we were in Chicago, we would already have been run out of snacks. Let's see. I'm gonna take the backpack and save free water. Do you want to hold this while I go, or do you want me to hold it?
You can.
But I'm gonna take my water out so they don't take mine.
Where are you going? Where do you go?
I'm just gonna go this way and see if anyone wants water. Okay. Free water.
Free snacks.
And free wawa.
Free snacks.
Free water.
Free snacks.
Free water.
I said free snacks. You said free water. Free snacks.
Free water.
Free snacks.
Free water.
Free snacks.
Free water. Free water and free snacks and free water. What?
Check on this door. I have basketball hoops. I must have kids.
I assume they have snacks. Free snacks and water and water and water. Free snacks and water and water and water. Free snacks and water.
Water and water.
This is
Look on this door. Oh, please no solitude.
solitants.
Nothing. Never mind.
I mean, as long as they don't say no soliciting, technically we can. Make sure they don't have a sign that says no soliciting, and do they have any cameras? Yeah, they do.
They have cameras. Well, we're not being on this one.
I know. It's kind of weird to be on camera, just free snacks.
At this house, maybe they don't have a camera or.
They look rich, so they probably do. The ones with basketball hoops probably have kids. I'm gonna cut the video. All right, we finally found someone we can knock at, because they have a basketball hoop, as long as they don't have no soliciting. Do they?
Nope.
Okay, so we can solicit here.
Let's go put the water right here. Okay.
We can solicit. It's not illegal, unless they have a sign that says no soliciting. All right, first check if they have a sign that says no soliciting. Nope.
Turn the ring around.
Cars in the driveway, so we're home.
Mr. or Miss, are you home? Oh, okay.
But there's a car. They might have 2 cars. We're not home right now. Hopefully we don't forget which way we came from.
What?
Hopefully we don't forget which way we came from.
Goes backwards. What about this house?
They have a trampoline. Be like, hey, if you let us give you free snacks, can we go on the trampoline? Do they have a Ring doorbell? No, they have a normal doorbell. And 2 cars in the driveway.
Do they have a box solicitor?
Maybe.
I don't even know.
Time to solicit.
I don't think it's like it does.
Oh,
Okay.
we can't leave though. Bark. Up.
Hey, what's up?
Hello.
You sound
We
like
wanted.
We're selling. They're
we wanted
free snacks and water.
free snacks and water.
Yeah.
For what?
For nothing. Would you like some? Would you like snacks?
I was just giving it out.
Yeah.
Why is that?
We have
for a
nothing to
YouTube
do.
Video?
Yeah.
It's a YouTube video.
For real?
Yeah. Would you like something?
Sure, I don't mind. What you got?
We got
We
protein
got
bars, stuff like that.
Protein bars, and we got whatever this thing is.
Oh, those are good. Can I see what that bar is?
Energy bar. Peanut butter.
I'll take that little roll thing that you just had.
Okay.
Is there something I gotta do for the YouTube video?
No. Or you
No.
can have 2 since you got a small one.
Nah, I'm cool with this.
Or
You don't
want
gotta do anything, but you can if
You
you
want
want
a
to.
bottle of water?
For the YouTube video, I could do like a backflip for y'all.
Oh, yeah.
If you're fine with that, yeah.
Yeah, I'm down.
Where should we go?
I'm just doing right here.
All right. You mind?
You mind?
Hey, 1 piece of candy equals 1 backflip. Here we go.
Cool.
That was cool. Thanks.
Hey, thank you guys. Hey, have a good day.
You too.
You too. I was not expecting that.
Me either.
My God. Well, guys, we just got someone to do a backflip.
Yep.
Should we call that a success or should we keep going? Because this video's almost 13 minutes long.
We'll call that success. Bye, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications, and share.
And we'll probably keep doing this off of camera, maybe. I don't know.
No, we're gonna go back to our bikes.
Anyway, bye.